Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use the Chroma key feature on CapCut for PC. So I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So if you want to remove the background or just the green screen background, if you want to remove the green color, so you can use the Chroma key, and you can find the Chroma key feature. Just drag your video or photo you want to edit and just click on the clip, and you can select cutout. You can find chroma key, just turn on, click on it and select color picker. So select the color you want to edit, and I'm going to remove the green color. Just click on the green and just for the string, and then shadow to refine of effect like so. You can add another background, just move up and select image, put in the button like so. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.